Hi, I'm Anita from Global Baby, and I've had this Mini Clubman now for a few days, and I'm going to show you some of the things that I really like about it. Here we go. Now in the back seat here I've got the Kiddie Guardian Fix Pro 2 that's installed with ISOFIX, and I've taken off the headrest that's just down here. I've just put it in the back seat, so then I was able to install the car seat more securely, more solidly without that headrest there. So there's the easy modular toddler car seat installed in the back behind the driver, and if I'm honest, I don't have as much legroom as I'd like. Here's another shot of the Be Safe Easy Modular in the back, in the passenger side this time, and this is my daughter. She's 2.5 years old, and we've got that car seat in the second position, so it's sitting out from the seat. She's got plenty of leg room, and there's still enough leg room in the front for my husband to sit there. Coolest thing ever. There's a little light in the handle that's reflecting it. And now I'm back inside the car, and just to show you the console, you've got your control here for the screen. There's your handbrake, what do you still call that a gear stick when it's an automatic? I don't know, but I find it really quite fun to drive and kind of, I guess, sporty. Like, it hugs the corners really nicely, and yeah, it's actually fun. I don't think I've ever said that about any other car, but there we go. So to start the car, we'll put the foot on the brake, and so it's keyless entry and keyless start. And you can just leave your keys in your handbag the whole time. You don't need to get them out. You know, when you're sitting at the traffic lights or whatever, the engine will kind of switch off in the same way that one of those electric cars will. If you don't like that, and apparently some people don't like that, don't like saving fuel, who knows why, you can just switch it off there, or on, whatever. And this is for the traction control. You can switch that off and on as well. And you've got the dual aircon, so whatever, I can be freezing cold over here and boiling hot on the other side if you like. Okay, and so this is the coolest thing here. So these little controls at the top here, I think I'm going to choose this one, and then keep an eye on this light around the screen. Woohoo! So what are we on? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can set the cruise control there. You've also got up here like an automatic stop. So say you're driving along and someone in front of you slows down or suddenly stops. So first of all, it'll sound an alarm, and if you still don't stop, it'll stop the car for you. So that's brilliant. Who doesn't love that? And then the cute little dials here, I really love them. And then this is the door handle, and this is the lock the door. Shut the doors. Okay, well, here I am ready to pick Priya up from daycare, and I just realised that I have forgotten to show you a couple of things. So one is this seat extender, and it's got a little handle under here, so you can move that in and out for bigger or smaller people. And then another little thing that I forgot is down here, the lights. So you know, just set them to auto and leave them on all the time, forget about it. And you can do the same for the wipers, set them to auto and just leave it on. Just one less thing to worry about. So initially with this car, I was wondering if it was like a bit of a nana car, but now that I've been driving it for a while, I think no, it's absolutely the opposite of a nana car. It's so cool and so much fun to drive.